Hey guys, it's Dave here. In this video we're going to be getting ready to seal up this aquarium and then we're going to put the silicone on. So let's get started. We're going to put some masking tape on so that we can get a nice line on our silicone. Okay, I've now cleaned and taped up the whole tank, so we now just have to cut these little corners here to be a nice shape with the knife or blade, and then we're ready to apply the silicone. Alright, so we've tidied up the corners on the tank now. As you can see here, they're not perfect, but they'll give the silicone a nice edge. So now we're ready to vacuum the tank out and then seal it up with the silicone. One thing that I will add is I just got these things from Bunnings. They're about $2 a pack of 4, and they're actually for making the edge of your silicone. Previously I've just used my finger, but I normally run out of time running all around with my finger and it starts to go off and then it gets a little bit messy. So because this is a bigger tank than the one behind me that I did previously, I'm hoping that this will let me get around it quicker so that I can finish it all off without it drying, while still giving me a nice finish. And as you should before any siliconing job, I'm going to share a kiwi fruit with my lizard. Okay, we're ready to apply the silicone now. I've been using Dow Corning 999A silicone, mainly just because it's available to me. I know that you can use Sally's glass sealant from Bunnings, but this stuff is stronger and it's only about $2 more per tube. We should be able to get this whole tank done with just the one tube, fingers crossed, but I do have another one in the freezer if need be. So we're going to try out this applicator, and we've got paper towels on hand ready to wipe everything down. This stuff gets everywhere on your fingers, and yeah, so let's cut it open, see how we go. So I've just siliconed up the whole tank. I ran a bead around and then I used this little tool. Worked really well. Just wiped it all around the edges and then fixed up the corners with my fingers and then pulled the tape straight off. You always want to pull the tape off right away, because if you leave it on there, then the silicone actually forms a bond to the tape and then you can't get it off. So here I've got my tube of silicone. So as directed by the guy at my local fish store, pump a little bit out. Just wiped around the end. This bit here goes dry, and then next time you grab the end and twist it and it comes off, and you can pull the plug out. Okay, thanks for watching this video. We've got all the silicone applied now, so we're going to wait 24 hours for the silicone to initially harden, and then we've got to wait about 48 to 72 hours for the silicone to go fully cured before we can put water in the tank. So after 24 hours we will pull the tank off and move it elsewhere to finish drying. Then we're going to start working on the stand and get it all fixed up. So that's going to be in the next video. But before we finish up this video, let's just have a look at some comparison shots between how the silicone was before and how it is now, so that you can see how much of a difference it really makes. Cheers.